Hello, I'm Xinyu Zhang and I'm here to report for the team of solo dining restaurants. This is our team member. First, the background or problems. In China, the single population is growing, and eating alone has become a normal life for young people. However, normal restaurants have a large amount of meals, and one person can finish eating at all, which will cause waste. Now, China's economy is growing, and young people are paying more attention to their personal needs and quality of life. People like eating well. Therefore, we would like to open a solo dining restaurant. Our restaurant will be located near the office building, where most young people gather. Our restaurant decoration will be more youthful and comfortable. And we will set up tables and chairs for one person. We will adopt self-service model, which can reduce the social pressure of customers. In addition, we will provide a side of menu or individual ordering mode to satisfy the customers' various choices. Next is our perfect model. First of all, with the gradual increase of single population, one-person restaurants will be accepted by more people and our sales will increase. Secondly, with small portion sizes, our pricing is low and easily accepted by the public. Lastly, we use a self-service model, which reduces labor costs. That's all. Thank you for your listening, and if you have any questions, you can ask by email.